Okay, part 2 of this super duper micro stove, if I can get this right. 2 cups of water in there. Love this kettle, GSI stainless steel. 2 cups in there. Sorry about the noise, we've got neighbours playing in the pool. Okay. There we go. Look at the size of that, it's ridiculous. Hey ho. Straight over. Straight over. Over, there we go. And pull that down. One canister. Screw on nice and tight. Oop, turn the valve off. Does help. Tidy everything away. That's on very light simmer. If it goes out, it's alright. Look at that. That's very good control. Sorry, can you see that? Okay, let's whack her up and just going to do it. Get the time. I've got the time on me. Hold on. So 8:58. That's a beefy bit of kit. They're glowing red hot already. It shouldn't take long. Let's check it's on full power. That's it, now it's fully on. So, turns back out, that's 1 minute. That's 1 minute. That's 2 cups of water as well, like I said, so. That's 2 minutes and we're there virtually, look at that. That's outside with a very, very light breeze. That's boiling now. See how hot it is. Very versatile bit of kit, isn't it? Full rolling boil, about 2.5 minutes. 3 at the max. A little bit noisy, but not too bad. I'm using a Coleman's, I'll take that off now. That's a full boil. I'm using the Coleman's 70-30, so 70 propane, sorry, 70 butane and 30 propane. It's supposed to be wetter in the cold, isn't it? Wetter? Better in the cold. I don't think it gets too cold. Butane will actually freeze in the bottom here, and you'll get a very little gas build up, so it tends to struggle in the winter. The propane is much better. Look at that. Yeah, that's that. So there you go, part 2. Hope you like the vid. Like, subscribe, like, share and subscribe if you wish. Lots of more videos coming. Take care. See you in the next one. I'll just shut him off. See how low he goes. That's a pretty good simmer, that. Look at that. Hold on. It's getting down even more. We still got it. Look at that. Incredible. Okay. Thanks for watching. Check in the next vid. All the best, folks.